On-page SEO part number 3. Hi everyone, Host Kherk is here again. On-page SEO tips for your business. Optimize your URLs. Having an approximate URL makes it easier for users and search engine to understand your page content. It helps search engines deliver relevant results to searchers so searchers know precisely what they'll see if they click the link. You also need to improve site loading time. Users expect your site to load in 3 seconds. If your site loads too slowly, your audience will visit another place instead. Now, how you can improve your site speed? You need to understand your current site speed and make site speed improvements. Identify where you can make changes to your website, okay, or to your online store, and you need to optimize your images. Next, include external and internal links. External links point to other websites, usually used to back up facts or give your readers more information you can't cover in your blog post. In contrast, internal links are links to other posts on your blog. Links are indeed the backbone of the internet. So, if your blog post is linked to a highly authoritative website, then Google is likely to reward your post with a higher organic ranking position as a result. And also guys, don't forget this, make sure your videos are optimized, connect with your audience. When your videos are optimized for SEO, they are optimized to reach your target audience. In addition, pay attention to the title of your video. Include a complete description that uses your keywords, choose a relevant thumbnail image, and use subtitles to ensure all users can watch your videos. Well, that's all we have for today. Stay tuned for more on-page SEO tips, guys. And thank you for watching. To learn more about on-page SEO, just go to my website, kherkroldanseo.com. See you there.